morning, campers. Hello from Camp Voyager. Zara has asked me though to make something that you might be able to replicate at home, and so I decided to make my black bean salad. And I know it's a camp favorite. I often send it up to the fire circle, and I have it all pretty much prepped, and I'm gonna give Zara the recipe to make just a home size recipe. So anyway, let's get started. What I have here is an enormous amount of black beans that I cooked, but normally when I make this recipe I just use 1 can of black beans and then a smaller can of corn. Today we're using a little bigger bag of frozen corn. This recipe also has an assortment of bell peppers works. I often just use a red bell pepper. Plenty of garlic. There'll be lime juice, olive oil, red onion, salt, and my very special ingredient is roasted cumin seed. And all you need to do to roast cumin seeds is get your cast iron skillet, warm it up, toss in a cup of cumin seeds and just a dry roast, and they will start to really stink and maybe even smoke, so you need to kind of over the stove sort of shake that cast iron skillet, and literally just a few minutes you will toast these. You don't want to burn them. And then I just quickly put them on some paper toweling to let them cool. So, and then you've got beautiful roasted cumin seeds. So, all right, so we're going to go ahead and assemble this black bean salad. I'm going to just go ahead and throw in the bell peppers, the corn. I'm not going to use all of this red onion. It can get a little too oniony. The last thing, and the only thing I need to chop, is I like to add both cilantro and parsley to this. And we're going to go ahead and cut off lower stems. And I know this looks like a lot, but this is camp and we got a lot of people here. Even without all you campers, there's a number of staffers here, and they're working so hard to get camp ready for next year. Now I'm going to add about 3/4 of a cup of olive oil. The oil coats all these lovely ingredients. Then we are going to add some lime juice. And for a home recipe, I would say 1.5 to 2 limes. And I've already, of course, juiced this lime juice. All right, salt and pepper. A couple of teaspoons for this recipe. And then the cumin seeds. I like to just sort of crush it with a rolling pin. Just kind of crush them, kind of opens them up, brings out a little more flavor. Throw that in. And this salad is done, except for the chips. Little scoopy chips work great, tortilla chips act as a little spoon. Otherwise, any kind of tortilla chip works great, and this just makes a wonderful side salad, something healthy and yummy. And I just want to say hi. I hope you're all doing well during these very interesting times, and I hope you're hanging in there. I love this kitchen. I have the best view, and it has a history, just an incredible history, and I feel so honored to be following in the footsteps of many wonderful chefs who have worked here, and cooks, from Tiny to Bernard and Nina. I hear all the stories, and I'm just glad that I have the opportunity to be part of Camp Voyager, and the camp spirit is just alive and well here. Have a wonderful day.